Hello, Fuzzy Biker here. There is LaSombra, my 1100 Shadow Spirit, 2006. The stator went out of it, so we're replacing the stator and the rectifier while we're at it. Just pulled this off, this case. There's the stator, and you can see big black spots on it and build-ups, like right there. It looks pretty bad. You know, I ride a lot of 8, 10, 12-hour days, and there's a lot of heat buildup in there. Even though I don't have any accessories hooked to it, heat has to go somewhere, and I guess this is the most vulnerable part. It should go in about like that. Wires in the same spot. Everything looks about the right. Everything looks right. So, I think we're good to go, guys. Well, there it is. It looks really crappy. I got it unhooked. It's just absolutely filthy in the oil, you know, for 65,000, 63,000 miles. Anyway, the cord runs up here, up here, up here. Meanwhile, I got to clean all this gasket off. I think I'll probably do that first. All this around here, I've got a new gasket. And, you know, otherwise it looks really good inside. The cleanliness, you know, that's not a very bad dinge. That's just the color of the oil staining. Very happy with that. I'll wipe this out and see what we got in there. It's all going good, my friends. Here's the case. I got to get all this gasket off. Actually, I don't have a razor blade here, so I'm going to have to go get one. But and there, of course, is the new parts, rectifier and stator, and the connectors are proper. I checked all that before I got started. So there's for the starter assembly. Starter's back here. Actually, it's very easy to get to all this. I'm really amazed. Okay, let's keep on rolling. Good morning, Fuzzy Biker here. It's a couple days later. I've been working on LaSombra here. We finally got everything together. I actually got it all together last night, and then I had one extra bolt, so I had to take this cover off. I knew right where it was after I found it, right under there. Anyway, put it back on this morning. All that's left now is put oil back in the engine, clean this up a little bit. I'm not going to put this cover on until after I get the thing running in case I have to do any adjustments, which I don't think I will have to. That's the clutch right there. And put the oil in, put the battery in, I guess, too. And then check her out, make sure I've got full voltage, you know. Wish me luck, right? I want to mention this magic tool right here. Got it off the internet. It's a name brand, but I can't think of the brand. MP is on there. Anyway. Freaking awesome. Made this kind of thing easy. T-handle, long ride. It came with an 8, 10, and a 12 millimeter, and plus one other one, 13 millimeter socket. Anyway, wish me luck, guys. It's been fun. Yahoo. Hey, great news. There's old LaSombra. I got the charging system all. I got that missing bolt put back in there, and got everything all buttoned up here. We've had it running. I checked the voltage. I've got 13.9. I'm going to leave the seat and stuff off because I'm going to add a voltage gauge. I ordered that just minutes ago. That should be here Tuesday. But let's see if we can get her to start for you here. It hasn't ran in a while. It's a little sputtery. All right. Life is good. Life is good. Pretty proud. Y'all get out there and ride. Yahoo!